Okay, well, the hose I'm talking about is down here. Sorry if the motor's a little loud. Sorry about that type of video, but this tube here, the black tube, comes out, goes under the intake. Get a picture of that. Goes there, goes to that. It'll go to that brass tube. Right there, and it runs all the way to the back. It runs from the side there, that gold tube right here you see in the middle, or well, not in the middle of the screen right there. It goes all the way back here, and it comes out. It'll come out under here. That tube there is where that runs to, and runs to the back here. The intake manifold, I don't know, I think that's IAC or something. I'm not 100%. It is a single cam, but I noticed when that tube was disconnected on my car, my car wouldn't start. I couldn't find out why till that. So let me just turn my car off and then go back and disconnect the tube. Disconnected. Stick my finger in there just to prove it's disconnected. Now I want to try to start my car. See, it acts like it wants to start, but it won't. Now unless I hold my gas, or with that. See, it won't start. So let me go try to plug this thing back in and show you. That's hoping that will help the problem out. Okay, hopefully I did that right. Oops, push and brake. Alright. Starts right up. Hopefully that's the same problem with yours. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure, but yeah. Hope this helps you.